So, hello and welcome to this video. This time we will do an exercise about arithmetic formulas and statistics and counting formulas we've talked before. I've linked this exercise in the video description of the last video, and I will also link it in the video description of this video. So if you want to do this exercise in advance, feel free to do so, but please pause this video because this video will be a solution for this exercise. So let's take a look. So here we should round down this number here at the left to two decimal places. So round down, select the cell, semicolon or comma 2, round up those number to one decimal place, round those number to 0 decimal places, and return the absolute value of those number. So this was quite easy. So round down, round up. So input the adjacent number, round also with the number, and ABS only, absolute value only ABS, and select the cell. So sum the numbers in this area. So input equal sign sum and select the range. Then sum the numbers in those total in this total area. It's the same, but select more numbers. The product of those numbers in the first area and the product of the numbers in the whole area. So this is quite a large number here. So next will be statistics and counting. Here we have a large list, 2,100 rows of companies. So average market capitalization, select average, select input equal average, and then select the range with data. See it's right by the indication here at the right side. Median for market cap and average turnover, so like sales or revenue. It's synonymous. Only input average and then select the cells. Also the median for this. The number of companies, and this time we should do this with column E, and therefore we can use count to count because every company has a profit or a negative profit, but it's also in the profit column here. So count will count the number of values with numbers, the number of cells with values in it, so 2000. And now we should do this with column B. And you see there's also a header here. So we can use not count because there aren't numbers in this column. We need to use count A to select the non-empty cells. But you will see if we do count A and select this whole column and then put enter in, this will lead to an error because we also count the header in, but this isn't the company, it's only the header. So we need to input there -1 to exclude the header. So this was the exercise. I hope you had fun and got the result there. And I hope also to see you in the next video. Bye.